Welcome to the same course. We are working on data structure, and I'm going to show you that how actually you create a question bank for these respective sections. Let me turn the editing on, and what we do next is we can directly go from both sides. I'm preferring this particular menu. You click on more, and then when you click on more, bring it down to questions. We have already seen that we can create categories, and we already have a basic category, but I can create another category. If I wish, I can remove this category. So let me delete this category, and we can add another category is basic questions, and I can put the same as a description and add that category. We are not giving any ID. So now I have this basic questions where I'm going to actually import. So these questions I'm going to import. There are different formats available, but one common format, very easy format, is icon format. And I can show you the question sample here. This is the question sample. And this question sample you are actually creating in the notepad, but the format is that you have this question and MCQ and finally the answer written exactly using this format. You can have also fill in the blanks type of thing, and but your answer. So what we do, we choose this format, and then in the general we have to say stop on error no, and then we choose the file. I'm going to choose this notepad file from the desktop. So in the desktop, I have this CT1, right? CT1 file. I am to upload this file. This is my file, and let's import. So you can see that some errors are here, maybe some kind of parsing error, but parsing error happens for a very simple reason, maybe code, maybe it's quotation, or maybe semi, it's basically coding questions. So I continue. And now I'm going to show you that in basic questions, I have actually 10 questions. You can see here. But what you have to do when you actually create this question, you have to go for editing to do one thing. One thing almost you have to do for every, but the advantage is that when you create a question bank, this question can be used time to time. So I'm actually showing the editing part. Every question, the edit is the question name and the question text is same. So what you have to do here, you select it and maybe put 1. 1 because this is question number 1. The rest of the answer is already set here. You can see the answer linked list, which is the correct answer, is already marked. Automatic, you can change the marking scheme. So I save the changes, and you can see the difference between this. You can see this is 1, and you can also select questions which one you want to give and when did you upload. So this question bank creation is a very important aspects in learning management system. So I hope it gives you a lot of interesting idea, and you can create a lot of interesting questions for the student to set for the test. And I'm going to show you that how you do it. For example, I set this question, and I'm going to create a test now. So what I can do, I can actually add another quiz just to show you very quickly that how you can do that. And let's say this is a kind of a class test 1A, and I'm writing the same here. I can have different instructions for it, and then I go for timing, whatever timing. I may not work on timing and anything, grading, and it's fine. And then I save and return. But I want to show you that how do you put question in this test using the bank. See now this question, there is no question has been added. So what I want to do, I'm saying, okay, I want to edit the quiz, and what I want is add questions from question bank. You see here, now the question bank has come. And you may say, okay, I want these 3 questions, or I can set all questions, add selected questions to the quiz, and you can see the questions are automatically added. and your test is ready. So so question bank is very, very important, and question bank creation is a very important skill we need to consider for very right learning in our time. So thank you for your patience, watching and trying to make it work.